How to recover old permanently deleted YouTube channel. So if you want to recover old permanently deleted YouTube channel, then first you need to open up your Google or your browser, and here you need to search for youtube.com/support, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply describe your issue. So you need to enter deleted YouTube account, and here you will have recover deleted YouTube channel. So you just need to simply tap on it, and here they will give you a lot of solutions. So you need to scroll down, and here on the bottom you may have contact us option. If you don't have that option, you can go with the top right, which has our three dots, and then move to a mobile site. Now if you scroll down, then you may have contact us option, or you can just simply go with the top left, which has our three horizontal lines, and here you need to go with submit feedback option, which is on the bottom, and then tap on next. And here you need to enter your feedback. So you need to write that I want to recover my old permanently deleted or disabled YouTube account. You can also upload some screenshots and tap on we may email you for more information or updates. And after that, go with send, which is on the bottom right. And within a few hours or within 24 hours, you might receive a reply. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.